Are you looking for the best LED strip lights? In this video we will look at some of the best LED strip lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Govee Wi-Fi LED strip. The length of the LED strip light is a feature to think about when making the order. This is a fine selection of a string light with a length of 32.8 feet, which you can use in larger spaces. Besides this, it comes with a wireless remote control system, making it a great piece you can use for decorations. To add more, it has quality 600 LED RGB power strip for a great decoration. It is very safe and reliable piece that you can use for most tasks. Despite the quality features and longer length, the price is relatively lower. 600 LEDs RGB power strip, a wireless remote control system. Scope of applications: thermal conductive adhesive system. At number 2, Onforu 65.6 feet LED strip light. Here is a widely applicable unit that will suit you. The 65.6 feet tape light is elementary to install since you can easily cut and link through lighting its connector. Second to this, it has a slim, compact and flexible PCD strip, which allows for flexible operation. The cost-effective unit has been finished in a wide range of colors to choose from depending on your preference. Also, it has a working volt of 12 volts, which is extremely low, hence safe to use. In addition to this, it also features a self-adhesive back for safe and quick application. Self-adhesive back. 65.6 feet strip light. Compact and flexible PCB strip. At number 3, Hamlet TV LED backlight 25 feet LED strip. It has been equipped with a total of 18 colors and 6 modes, which means that you will find it great for your TV. The light has a length of 25 feet, with an S-type printed circuit for the easy curving of the lights on every corner of the TV. More interestingly, the light comes with quality RF remote, which allows for easy control of the unit. It operates at 10 speed and brightness, hence an exceptional pick you never want to miss. The installation process is a breeze since all parts are included. Quality RF remote control. 25 feet white LED strip light, 10 seed and brightness levels, 18 static colors, 1-year warranty. At number 4, L8 Starlet strip lights. The length of the LED strip light you wish to buy is a priority to consider. This is a 32.8 feet set-off strip lights you will find great for bedroom, party, home, and TV decoration. Apart from this, they are dimmable LED strip lights that you can easily control to suit the space. That said, it has up to 5 lighting modes, which makes it very convenient. Additionally, the lights come with 3M self-adhesive tape, which allows it to be used on flat and dry surfaces. This means that the installation process is a breeze. To add more, it comes with remote control, which makes it a breeze to select the required working mode and color. Featuring app music and mic mode, you can easily have complete control of the lights using your smartphone. 2 reels each 16.4 feet. Remote control receiver. 3M self-adhesive tape. App music and mic mode. Dimmable LED strips. At number 5, Elfland LED strips. When you need to decorate your space, this is a fantastic set of lights you need to try out. The LED lights have a size of 32.8 feet, which means that they cover larger areas. Besides this, they have app control and mic modes for easy control through the app. They also support Bluetooth connectivity for music mode, and with a built-in adjustable sensitive mic, they will create and relaxation and romance ambience mode. The lights are easily dimmable plus easily changed to different colors. More interestingly, they operate at 5 modes and with the memory function. You don't need to repeat the settings once they are switched on. Lastly, the lights come with remote control and controller for excellent performances. Dimmable LED strip lights. 5 operational modes. App control and mic mode. Built-in sensitive mic. 8 feet long unit. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.